Hey guys, welcome to Boost Hunter Garage. Today's going to be part 2 of the 5-inch straight pipe exhaust install of my 07 5.9 Cummins. We'll do a bit of a sound comparison to stock and kind of show you a few clips of us finishing up, just getting it painted up so it doesn't rust. And we're going to show you kind of how it looks underneath the truck. And yeah, we'll get to it here. Alright guys, we got the exhaust all welded up and kind of cleaned up for the most part. And now we're just going to get to painting it. Jordan's going to hit the downpipe with this stuff here. What do you got there, Jordan? Just header paint like that I picked up at Canadian Tire. So we're going to put that all over the downpipe here. Kind of do a few coats obviously. And then we're going to use that Steel It paint on the rest of the exhaust here. Just have it hanging up off the garage door. Nice little paint booth we got going here. We'll hit her with a lot of paint so she doesn't rust, just like everything here in Saskatchewan. After one winter, it just destroys everything. So I'm going to try coat everything I can when I do work on this truck just to keep rust away and cover up those pretty booger welds I got going there. But here we go.
Oh, hell yeah.
Enjoyed those few shots of the truck rolling there, and then you could hear it all right over top of the wind. One thing I've noticed now with the exhaust on that I could definitely tell the injectors are kind of hurting. You can tell the truck's not running quite right. But I am gonna plan to change those injectors here soon or in the next few months. I'd like to. Definitely not made of money, so got to save up for those. But it'll be nice once we have those. The truck will run a lot better. And I do think once those are in the truck, I'll get tuned at that point. I think we'll sound a lot better and it'll definitely rip. So thanks a lot for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It definitely helps the channel out a lot. And please come on back.